Hi guys, got some deliveries here. The wiring terminal. Okay, I think that's some little wiring clips, terminals, terminations. Spotted them on, I think it was Julian Eyelet, or it might have been Big Clive, I can't remember which it was now. They just looked interesting. Got little sort of toggle effects for quick termination of wires. I suppose I ought to get some wire and push it in and see if it works. Look to me like they want thicker wire than I've got here. Sort of power cable thickness, I would have thought. And they've gone in. Oh yeah, it's gone in. That's gripping that. Yeah, I see how it works. You've got a little sort of gap in the middle there, so as you push that down, that pushes the metal spring down, and your bit of wire goes through the gap in the middle. Can we do that close up at all? So we've got a springy bit of metal there. Push that to push the bit of springy metal down, and at the same time there's a gap in the middle. Slide your wire in, and there you are, connected. Oh, that works. I thought they might be handy for when you want to rig up something quick and temporary. I don't know that I'd like to use them permanently for anything high powered, but for that sort of setup where you just want to test something quickly, I thought brilliant. So that works. Next, now these should be some transistors, because I burnt out some in one of my toy grade receivers, harvested some from another toy grade receiver to repair it, and in the meantime actually ordered some replacements. TC Electric Components. There we go. S8550 and S8050. And that's come, well, that's only a couple of days delivery maximum. So we'll be doing a separate video where I try and replace the ones on the burnt out receiver. I replaced them once and then I burnt them out again. So we'll probably burn them out a third time. Okay, so what's left? Amazon. This arrived incredibly quickly. I only ordered it yesterday, I think, and today is Sunday, and it's arrived on a Sunday, completely unexpected. I was expecting it probably Tuesday or something, because I didn't go for the fast delivery option. I went for the free option, which was 2 to 3 days or something. And there we go, it's that time of year when I need to back up all of last year's YouTube videos. I've been using, I can't remember what make they are, Canvio or something or other. And they've gone up in price significantly. I paid £117 last year for a 4TB external drive. And I looked yesterday, yeah, it was yesterday, £157, gone up by 50%. And that's with discount. So I looked elsewhere on Amazon, saw these Seagate drives, 6TB, and that was, I think that was 117. The reviews are a bit mixed on them. Some people think they're wonderful and some people don't. So you're always going to get that on Amazon, aren't you? This is purely for backup. Some of the comments did say it was a slow drive. Well, that doesn't matter when you're just using it for backup. You just want to store stuff in case you need to go and look at it again in a few years' time. This one even has a couple of external USB ports. So if you've got it on your desk and you've got access to it, you can plug something else in. Mine's under the desk, out of the way somewhere, so that'll be no use to me at all. But at the price, one of the reviews was saying the actual external drive with the 6TB drive in it was cheaper than buying the drive on its own. So, there we go. I'll go and do some backup. Put them somewhere where I won't forget them. And we'll do a separate video where I replace a few more transistors, the H bridge, on one of my toy grade receivers. Just realised I didn't show you what was in the box for the drive. So, USB lead. Yeah. Power adapter. Which will go on there. So power supply, what's that bit? Well, that's your American style or continental style, as we like to say in the UK. 2 pins, UK 3 pins. Okay, that can only go that way, yep. Okay, so that's UK style. And the actual drive itself, that's physically quite a bit smaller than the, I've forgotten what they are again. I think they're Toshiba Canvio are the ones that I've got. I like the look of this one. It's just a matter of whether it actually works or not, isn't it? Well, it's funny how memory plays tricks on you. I thought that one looked smaller than my existing ones. Well, it's a little bit narrower, but it's longer. Yeah, these are the ones I've got. Toshiba Canvio. This one's a 4TB. And that one's a 6TB. Yeah, it looks like it will sit together all that way up. Yeah. Oh well.
Hey, Thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.